Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Darya Arqam School, Quarry Town. Hope you all will be fine. Today we will before studying we will recite dua Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Today we will study social study of class 3, lesson number 5, weather and seasons. First of all, we will discuss about weather. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold. This change in air is known as weather. Weather keeps changing from day to day, as sometimes it's cold, it's rainy, sunny, cloudy and snowy. These are the weather conditions. There are different weather conditions, and now we will discuss about seasons. When weather remains the same for a long period, we call it a season. There are 4 seasons. Spring is the time when the weather becomes warmer. In Pakistan, March and April are the months of spring season. New leaves appear on the trees and flowers bloom in different colors. In this season, days and night becomes equal. Next season is summer. It is the hottest season of the year. Every country has a different time for summer. In Pakistan, the months of May, June and July are very hot, and the days of summer are longer than the nights. Next season is autumn. Autumn is a season when leaves turn brown and start to fall. This is a short season. It is neither hot nor cold. The wind gets cooler and birds start to migrate. In Pakistan, this season comes in the month of October to the middle of November. In this season, nights begin to get long. Next season is winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In Pakistan, the months of December, January and February are very cold. In winter, days become short and nights become long. Now we will discuss about climate. Climate is the common average weather condition of a particular place over a longer period of time. For example, for more than 30 years, in Pakistan we have cool and warm climate. Thermometer measures the air temperature. It can tell how warm and cold conditions are. To know about the climate of any area, we have to measure the daily temperature of that place for a longer period of time. Barometer measures air pressure. It tells whether the pressure is rising or falling. Rain gauge measures the amount of rain that has fallen over a specific time period. A wind vane is an instrument that determines the direction from which the wind is blowing.